Hi everyone, this is April with Flowers from the Foss family. We garden in zone 4A. And so I was going to do this little commentary outside, but there's lots of loud noises going on out there. But I want to catch some of the really pretty peonies that are starting to bloom right now. So I might just do a voiceover for that because it's so loud, but they're opening up and I'm so excited to show you. I don't want it to like rain on them or hail on them or something. It's not supposed to, but you never know. But they're so cute right now. And so I'm going to show you guys that. And I hope you like it. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so these are the peonies and they're called the Pillow Talk peonies. And they're supposed to be a little bit yellow inside, so I don't think they're open all the way. But they're so cute. Look at them. And so apparently I could have taken off, because there's little buds on the sides here, so let's see. So there's 5 buds altogether, and I could have taken them off, and next year it would have had way more blooms and maybe bigger blooms, but I really needed to see them this year because last year there was nothing. Here is the other peony. It is very noisy out here, sorry. This is the Carl's field. And this we've had for 3 years. The first year we bought it had 1 bud on it, so we had 1 flower. I think the second year we had 2 flowers. And then this is the 3rd year. So if you know the saying, it's sleep. The first year is sleep, the second year is creep, and the 3rd year is leap. Sleep, creep, leap. Actually, it's called Carl Rosenfield. I'm never fully gonna get names of things, I don't think. I always mess them up. So this peony, the bright one, is a Carl Rosenfield, and the pink one is a Pillow Talk peony. So
Cosmo over there instead.
okay. So this is a chocolate mint, which smells really good actually. This is a purple fountain grass, and it does have some growth on it, so hopefully it'll do better right here because we kind of had it in a little bit of shade and it wasn't even growing or anything. So maybe with more sun it will just explode. And then I can't remember what he's gonna put there. So he's gonna put something there. And I think in the last video or 2 videos ago I showed you these. And I looked it up. I'll have to look again because I can't remember, but it's super cute. I wouldn't mind those all over the place. We have them in a few different places actually. So over here we planted a feverfew, and that is a hydrangea right there, and there was 1 poppy here last year, and now there are so many self-seeded poppies. So we're gonna try and transplant them over. Matt's right there, and then across here there's nothing right there. He just put a couple cosmos in there right now. Well, it's a bump out. There are 2 hydrangeas in there, and then in front of it's nothing. So we're gonna try and move some of these breadseed. They're breadseed poppies over there. I'm gonna show you how many there are. So there are these, and there's some weeds in here too, obviously, but these are all breadseed poppies up in here. Those 3 I grew in the house, so that's why they're so big. So they're under this feverfew. They're all over. Here's some, there's some in here. I mean, they're everywhere. So I hope that they'll easily be transplanted because they're super cute. And if they're the ones that we had last year, if they don't turn into something else, like a different color, so pretty. So this is the other side now. I was standing right there. So there's 1, 2, 3 that I started in the house. And they're pretty big. Okay, so I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna have to look it up, but these are lupin. You guys, it's super loud in our neighborhood. There's 2 roofs getting done. And like one in front of us and one in back of us. Okay, so they're starting to go to these seed pods here. And I don't know if I'm supposed to deadhead them because there's new ones coming in. So I'm gonna look it up because I'm not sure if I'm supposed to deadhead them. But just sitting right here, I can smell them and they're so good. If you don't know what lupins smell like, go find some and smell them because they smell so good. And they're so pretty. We have no aphids yet, so yay. It's like the noisiest thing. Now there's a car horn. Yes? Hmm?
Right here.
I thought you were gonna have Charlotte fix your hair today. No? Stay on the stumps. Or on the rocks. Wow, look at all those. Are they coming out easily?
Maybe. Like that one, I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe.
There's
Maybe.
also behind it, there's a lot of good ones back here. That way you don't want to take them all, you know, but some of them.
That one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, take that last one and leave those bunches. And then grab some of these bigger ones back right behind this feverfew that are you're not gonna be able to see them. What?
How close together can we plant them?
Yep, don't step on the poppies. Be very careful. How's that feel on your back? So these are the silver mist. Okay.
So like.
Yep, that's perfect. So these cosmos were growing in our path, so they self-seeded from last year, and so he brought some up here because there are hydrangeas. There's one here and one here behind those fences, but there was nothing else in here. Except for I did plant a ton of foxglove seed and I didn't keep them watered, so